Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'm going to clean out the little caddies that sit on my desk for crafting. Okay. Oh. Alrighty. Washed my two favorite brushes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort these. Not sure what I want to put where, but yeah. Have these little containers that have stuff in it. Let's just make piles of what is what. These are my tweezers, marker, glue, markers and pencils. I'll throw them in here. Oh, I have another measuring tape. Put one back in my sewing box. I do stick little odds and ends in here that I shouldn't be sticking in here. Oh, there's a little needle. This is good. Okay, another glue. There's another. I think these glues are no good, so I'm going to throw it out. Okay. Oh, shoot. Let's just put those there. That goes over there. Let's see. Well, it's okay. This one's dried out, so I'll throw it in the garbage. We'll keep this one. We have two knives, so we can put them in with the cutting things, and a jackknife. Okay, let's put that over there. I don't know what this is. Cover for something. Okay, let's, oh, there's a mushroom. And this is just garbage, so we'll just sweep it into my garbage can instead of on the floor. I am getting more organized. Okay, there's my glues. Okay, now let's see this one. Goes there. This is my X-Acto knife, so it should go in here. Maybe think. Maybe we should have a separate one for. Oh, it's got lots of little slots, so. Those are markers. Okay, this is a tape. I got it in there good. Just I don't want anyone stealing it. That's some tape. I have tape somewhere. Here's another glue. This is supposed to be a good glue stick. I've had people tell me you want to see my happy face. It's nice to get this done. And I've been keeping my craft room up pretty good. I did just tidy it up the other day after I finished making all my crafts and stuff. I put all that stuff away and swept my floor. But having an open garbage can really helps. So I can just drop the garbage in there or bring it over to my desk and scrape it in. Oops, what's this? That's garbage. There's another glue. Here's some stamps. Here's some sandpaper. I think I'm going to put it over here in this kind of a working box. There's another little pair of scissors. Some more paint brushes. I don't need all these paint brushes. That one's no good. Some more glue. Some more little glues. And another pair of tweezers. Glue. This is an empty squeeze bottle. I don't know where I'm going to keep that. Oh, another pair of scissors. Amazing what you find. Oh, here's some needles. I'm going to take them out of here too. Then they're ready to use. There we go. Pencil. Just garbage in here. I'm going to throw these out. These are hangers. Put them in the drawer. I like to have some wire on hand. Put that in that small one too. And some thread. Okay, it's got this one filled up. And oh, this is a new, that's a new lip. Another little pair of scissors. And then we got some more punch pins, garbage, and elastic. That's a piece of sandpaper. Okay. Let's bring this one out and put all the glues in. Of tape, scotch tapes, and I'm going to put these tapes in here with those measuring tapes. Oh, maybe I'll put the measuring tapes and the needles together. That's a good idea. And now we have our Scotch tape and our other tape. This knife. Oh, I might end up with not needing this one. Here's my knife. And I have a bunch of... Oh, maybe I'll... There we go. Don't need to crowd everything. Here's some tools and some paintbrushes. My stamps and then my 2 scrapers. Yeah, that worked good. And this I'm going to save in case I want it. Okay, that looks, whoops, this looks much better. That looks much better. This stuff all has a home. Even though it could be cleaned out. No, that's one nail. These are my punch pins. Oh, I have those in there too. What did I do with them? Okay, I have these. I'm going to put these in here too. Okay. And I have a container of elastics. And they all go. Okay, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. Caddies that I have on my desk organized. Okay, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. And so Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, she puts us all in a playlist, so it's so easy for you to click on, and you can watch all of us do our tiny tidies and get lots and lots of motivation. So, we'll see you in my next video, which is Garden Thursday. Okay, see you soon. Bye.